IT is a lot cheaper than it was in the old days. In the old days, you had to buy the software, you had to buy the hardware, the operating system, the servers, the firewalls, the internet, and you had to put it up in a location and had to people maintaining it. Today there are other vendors that offer hosted ERP, but in the case of Uniconta, our hosted solution is superior than many others. At Uniconta, we are responsible for the whole process. We are responsible for the software, the hardware, and the performance. We control which servers it runs on. We specify it. We control the software because we develop the software. You also guaranteed much better support. So with the Uniconta ERP solution in the cloud, you have a really well-performing and up-to-date modern ERP software, so your business can run more smoothly.